guide. Please follow me.
It's flexible and stronger than before. Okay?
Hello. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
So Mrs. Smash, she's gonna give you the presentation of the papyrus. That is the papyrus plant.
This is Mrs. Smash.
Asma.
Asma.
And she's gonna show you how to make it like a paper, as you can see in the background, and how you write the ancient Egyptian language on it. Enjoy with her.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Asma. It's my name. I'm a local guide here. I will give you brief idea about the Papyrus plant, Papyrus, and how the ancient Egyptian makes the first paper in all the world out of this plant. This is the plant of Papyrus, tropical and aquatic, because it needs more heat and more water to grow. This is the plant growing clothing of banks of the river Nile, because it needs more heat and more water. This is a plant 2 or 3 meters high. This is very tall. The ancient Egyptians considered this plant as a holy one for 2 reasons. The first one, the flower. Look at the flower. It looks like sun rays, symbol of Amun-Ra, the king of the sun. Second reason is the stem. It looks like pyramid shape, symbol of strong, long life and eternity. If you want to make paper exactly this one, cut the plant, big, medium, small, according to the size you want. If you want to make paper big, cut on bar big. If you want to make paper small, cut on bar small. For example, now I will show you small board for small paper. This is part of the papyrus plant. And the second now, I will removing the green part for make a paper. This is the green part of the papyrus. This is strong and flexible. The ancient Egyptians used this part for make sandal, basket, hat, mat, more of things. Sandal King Tutankhamun in Egyptian museum with the green part of the papyrus. And the part is very important. If you want to make a paper, this is the inner part. The white part is very important for make the paper. Now I will cut slice or sheet of that one. لا لسه. And see that it's fragile, can be broke, because it have amount of water, sugar and fiber. Now I will break the fiber. I will using the hammer. After that, using the roll for removing the water. For see the line now, it's more strong and flexible. But before it's fragile, can be broke. After that, it's strong and flexible. After that, I will put the line in the water. Fresh water, water of the river Nile. 6 days in the water. If you want white paper, exactly this color. 12 days in the water. If you want brown paper, it's chocolate paper. Exactly this section behind here. 6 days white, 12 days brown. And no difference of the quality. Between white and brown, the same quality, the same paper, but the difference of the color. Yes? Brown paper, white paper. After that, using a 2 sheet of carpet. It's carpet. And now, I will pick up the line in the water and arrange it in horizontal and the vertical line, clothing one by one, side by side. One by one, side by side. Okay? After that, put the lines under the press. 12 days more. 6 days in the water, white paper. 12 days in the water, brown paper. After that, clothing under the press. 12 days more. 12 days under duress. If you won't make paper, exactly this one. This is the first paper in our history.
Wow.
This is a papyrus sheet. In the ancient time, using this paper for writing is a message. But now using it for shi'ar. Built in the paper. Why? Because this is strong and flexible.
Yeah.
Under the light can be see vertical and horizontal line. What's the difference between the original papyrus and fake one? The original one, the color of the paper, it's yellow. Excuse me, see that? It's yellow color. But in the street, white paper. White paper, the sugar cane or banana leaves, this is not papyrus. The original one under the light can be see vertical and horizontal line. The original one accepts any kind of color. Watercolor, stone color, for example, normal paper. My name Asma, it's my name. The original one, it's waterproof, can be, do I use me wheels? Can be touched at the bottom, touch it. It's dry.
Yeah. It's dry.
Yes, and can be clean and wash paper. It's washable.
Washable.
Yes. Excuse me, my friend, this can be touched the paper. It's still strong.
Yeah.
Yes, and if you will remove my name, this is my name. Can be using the plant of the papyrus and remove anything.
Wow.
And
Natural eraser.
excuse me, if you want cut a paper, can be see vertical and horizontal line. One by one, side by side. This is the original papyrus. Anyone around you here it's papyrus original. Anyone in here it's painting handmade. The signature of the artist in here. And with anyone, take 2 certificate guarantee. First one with 6 language for here. Second one, the stamp under the control of the Egyptian government. Any paper in here, free taxes. In Cairo airport, no I problem. How you can carry the paper, it's rolling to you. Exactly this one. Nice to you, roll the paper in here with the certificate guarantee and the final ticket stamp under the control of the Egyptian government. But now I will give you brief idea about the picture. Where is the first famous one? And very important one, this is the wedding car, the love story. This is the first love story between King Tutankhamun and your wife. She proposed you love, lotus flower. If you touch this flower with the left hand, because the left hand closing of the heart, symbol of accept the love and marriage. King Tutankhamun and your wife, and this is your children, symbol of happy family. Yeah, this one in Egyptian museum was gold. And 2-1, this is the tree of life, tree of family. Can be seen here 5 birds represent 5 stages in the human life. Birth, childrenhood, yes, or adult, married, or old age. In the ancient time, using these a tree symbol of the happy family and write the name of all the family around the tree. Baba, mama, and the children. Can be put your names with hieroglyphic letter, typical of this letter, with my artist in here. Can be bent anything, typical the color of the paper. And the third one, this is the Egyptian calendar. Can be see that one, this is very special and very famous. Seen here 4 couple of King Horus, symbol of 4 direction, north, south, east and west, and 4 Queen of Noon, symbol of 4 season, winter, summer, spring, autumn. 4 couple of King Horus, it's 8 person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excuse me, 8 plus 4, 12 months in the year. 12 person, we have 24 armies, 24 hours in the day. In the center, 36 person, 36 week in the year, but in the ancient times, a week 10 days, not 7. And this is the final judgment or judgment day. Anyone around you, excuse me, sir, close the camera now. It's very special because this is new one. This is the judgment day, black, and this is a calendar brown paper. And this is a wedding card, blue color. This is a tree of life, tree of family blue. And come with me, please. Come with me. This is a tree of life. And the judgment day and the calendar. This is pyramid, this is famous. Tutankhamun, Nefertiti, and the king and the queen. Come with me this way, please. This is part of the Quran. This one. White picture, the Quran. Excuse me, come closer for 5 minutes right now. This is the judgment day, final judgment. This one, the Egyptian calendar. This one, the love story, tree of life. This is the section special. Special color and special picture. Excuse me, my group, my family. Focus in this one. See this one door. And tell me what happened without the light.
Oh my god.
This is with the light, Judgment Day. Without the light, 3 Pyramid King Tutankhamun Nefertiti. This was the light, Egyptian calendar. Without the light, cat, symbol of happiness. This is Ramses without the light, cat. And this one, the love story, King Tutankhamun and your wife and children. Without the light, key of life, symbol of long life and eternity. And this one's a tree of life, light cat. This one's the panorama of Egypt, pyramid, king and the queen. This one, the camel, horseman, pyramid in the night. This first technical in Egypt with papyrus paper, light in the door. I have big, medium, small. This is the model number. This is the price in Egyptian bow. Catch your eye, for example. This one, I have big, medium, small. Anyone around you, different size, different color. You have small order.